Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and today we are diving into a truly useful word. Our word of the day is authentic. This is a C1 level adjective, and it means genuine or real. When something is authentic, it is exactly what it claims to be, not fake or copied. So if we say something is authentic, we're saying it is the real deal. You might hear it used to describe things like food, art, or even people. Let's explore some synonyms for authentic. One good synonym is genuine. For example, her smile was genuine. It reached her eyes. Another synonym is real. We could say, this is a real antique, not a reproduction. One more synonym is legitimate. You might say, he presented a legitimate passport at the border. Each of these words shares the core idea of being true and not fake. Now let's switch gears and look at some antonyms, or words that mean the opposite of authentic. A common antonym is fake. Imagine someone says, that painting is a fake. Another antonym is artificial. You could say, the flowers in the arrangement were artificial. Another contrasting word is sham. For instance, his tears were a sham. He wasn't really sad. These words all suggest a lack of genuineness. How can we use authentic in everyday life? Well, if you go to a restaurant and the chef is using traditional recipes, you might say the food is authentic. If you're talking about someone's personality, you could describe them as authentic if they are true to themselves. You could say, she has an authentic personality. What you see is what you get. You might hear someone say, is this an authentic vintage bag or a copy? Let's take a look at some usage examples in sentences and phrases. This is an authentic Italian pizza made with all the traditional ingredients. We are looking for someone with authentic leadership qualities. The museum showcases authentic artifacts from that period. Her authentic voice resonated with the crowd. You can see that this word can be used in quite a variety of ways. So, to recap, authentic is an adjective, a C1 level word meaning genuine or real. We looked at synonyms like genuine, real, and legitimate. We contrasted it with antonyms like fake, artificial, and sham. And we saw how it's used in everyday life to describe objects, people, and experiences. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. Before I go, please remember to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review on your podcast platform. Your support helps other language learners discover the show. It really makes a difference. Also, I'd love to see your creativity, so please write your own sentence using the word authentic and share it in the comments under the video. It would be great to see how you are using it. Until next time, happy learning!